Question 3. Mario invests £2,000 for 3 years at 5% per annum, meaning per year, compound interest. Calculate the value of the investment at the end of 3 years. Again, I'll show you both methods that we did earlier. Please get used to the multiplier method. So we've got year 1, year 2, year 3. So year 1, £2,000, multiplier, and to work that out first, so we know that we're going to do 100%, which is the original. The starting value is 100%, so that's the original. We're going to do 5% per annum compound interest, so that 100, the increase we're going to get is 5, so we add 5 to that. You get 105 on the calculator. When you divide that by 100, you will get your multiplier, so SD button if required. So let me just write that here. 100 plus 5 equals 105. When we take 105, we divide it by 100, we get our multiplier of 1.05. So I can times that. For the amount in the bank at the end of year 1, we can do 2,000 on the calculator times 1.05. We get, we keyed that in wrong, so let's do it again. Again, calculator paper, double check your answers. Times 1.05 equals 2,100. That value at the end of year 1 we bring down for the start of year 2, because that's your new value there. So it's 2,100 times 1.05 again. It's the same interest each year, 5%. Now remember, the interest is the same, but that doesn't mean the amount of interest you get each year is the same, because your value changes at the beginning of each year because you're bringing it down. So you get an interest on your interest, so there'll be a new value at the start of the year. The percentage increase is the same. It doesn't mean that the value of the increase is the same. So we get 2,205 at the end of year 2. Now it's a 3-year investment, so we take 2,205, times that by 1.05. So times that by 1.05 equals SD button if required. So the answer we get is £2,315.25, already rounded there, 2 decimal places. That's what we put in the answer box. We've got all our working out. We should be confident now that if that answer is correct with our working out, we get full 3 marks. Now, the other way we said you can answer this, once you get your multiplier, we take the original value, 2,000, times that. We'll put in the multiplier. All you need to do is look at the investment, the number of years for the investment, 3 years, we do to the power 3. So I'll just key that into the calculator again. 2,000 times 1.05. Now on this calculator, the power button is that X button there with a square box, because we're going to put a number in there. We know it's for 3 years the investment, so we put in to the power 3. Press equals. We should get the same answer, SD button if required. £2,315.25, exactly the same as I've got there. So we've just double checked our answer. Full 3 marks.